Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a short video about the dash. A lot of people ask me how to change the miles into kilometers and kilometers into miles. So I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to show you some features of this dash. So this is the Gen 4 dash for Kawasaki ZX10R. So right now we are in trip B. That's my fuel, so I know how much kilometers I'm running on the full tank. Normally I do 180 kilometers. I did 62 right now, so I have more than half tank. Coolant temperature. If you press the down button, it will show you the air temperature, which is 36 right now. Power mode, you can change it by power mode. It's F means full, M means medium, L means low. And then traction control, you can press the down button. Traction 1 means low, traction 2 means medium, traction 3 means the highest traction you can get, and then you can turn it off. And let's say you want to turn it off for permanent, but whenever you turn off the meter, let it be, and turn on the meter again, it will be on in the lowest mode. Then if you press the upper button, it will show you the lead fuel average. I think this is the fuel average, which is giving me 6.8 kilometers per liter. Alright, very hard. 33 liters. Since I put the petrol from last month, I think. Then track time. If I press the down button, which you cannot see right now, it's stuck. And yeah, come on, start. It should work like this. I forgot how to do it. But it's track time. And if you press the up or down, I think down button, if you keep, it will be in track mode. Here we go. So now time will be on side, speed will be on small, kilometers, power modes, and if you change in the gear will be in the middle. I don't like those, so I will change it back to stock. Then total kilometers on the bike, 7,582 kilometers on it till now. And let's say you want to change the into miles, so hold the down button and press hold the upper button, press the down button, so it will show you. Right now it's in kilometers, everything in Asia or Middle East type of thing. If you press it again, now it's in USA. It's written very small USA. So the total mileage is in miles, and the temperature, engine temperature, is in Fahrenheit, and the speed also in miles. And you press again, then you'll be in UK. So temperature, everything will be same, but temperature will be in degree, not in Fahrenheit. Then you press one more time, that's Middle East, Asia, and everything. And then you can set your RPM, how much you want to flash it when you want to change it, and you can decide how much it should flash very fast like this, or you'll flash it slightly slow or nothing. So I like it flash very fast, so I keep it almost 13.5. Oh, sorry, 13.5 almost, which is perfect for me. This, oh fuck. And right now air temperature, everything is there. So all things, ABS light, because this is the ABS model. When you run off like 7 kilometers speed, it would go off. High beam, low beam. That's all for this bike. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace out.